Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use the KDMP specific soldering free clip. Open the package and take out the product. Let's take the 2ROG PCB as an example for the demonstration. Open the PC side software and access the MLB interface. Click Wiring Diagram. Find the corresponding wiring diagram. According to the wiring diagram, first, we need to remove the two capacitors marked by the red box and clip it to the corresponding positions marked by the yellow circle and black circle. Now let's show you how it's done. First, clip the clip pins onto the VCC position. Now clip the black clip onto the GND position. Now plug the wiring harness connector on the clip into the KDMP. Once the PCB is properly clamped and the wiring harness is connected, place the PCB into the KDMP induction area. Turn off the picture. Click Collect Original Key Data. Follow the prompts to continue with the operation, and that's it.